Hey guys, in this video we'll be talking about how to transfer your YouTube channel from your Google account to your Google brand accounts, which has a lot of advantages. So first of all, go to your YouTube channel. So this is the YouTube channel, and go to the YouTube settings. It is not same as the Google account settings, which is totally different. In this case, you're going to the YouTube settings, and once you're in that area, you will be shown different details about your YouTube channel. So you just have to go to the advanced settings of your YouTube channel, and you'll be shown different details about your channel, like the user ID, the channel ID, the default channel, custom URL, just in case you're eligible for that. And there is this option of move channel as well, which is move channel to a brand account, and we have to use that feature. And also you can delete your channel by following that last link, which is the delete channel. So for now, we just want this channel to be moved to a brand account. So we'll be clicking on the move channel to a brand account link. And then it's a very important feature, and it can lead to even the deletion of channel, just in case you don't follow proper steps. So be sure about each and every step and follow the Google documentation. Yeah, I'm just experimenting this thing with my personal account, and it is not a important account. It was just a dummy account, just to see how it works exactly. So be very sure about what you're looking for from the transfer, and be sure to follow each and every steps. So in this case, when you will click on that link, you'll be shown this page wherein there is detail about the current channel and the current connected account, which is the Google account. And there is this brand account, and which already has this YouTube channel linked. So first of all, we will be deleting that channel, which has no videos, nothing at all. So be sure to have your eyes wide open, because one wrong step can lead to deletion of your important channel. So since we have these dummy channels, the dummy channel which is connected with the testing account or the Google account, and there is this brand account which is also having a YouTube channel, but it is also a dummy YouTube channel. So yeah, I have got nothing to lose here, but be sure about what you're doing with your channel. So read this documentation 10 times just to ensure that you don't miss any points. So it covers that if you must be having the accounts logged in to which you want to make the transfer. Just in case you weren't, maybe the channel can get accidentally deleted as well, and then possibly there is no way to get it back. So in the best case scenario, don't do it at all. Just in case you're sure, then read the documentation 10 times. And some of the contents cannot be moved, for example the comments made by your channel, things like that. So in this case, we have just deleted the channel which was linked with the testing brand account. And now we are just gonna see if we are having the right details. So first of all, the YouTube channel which is linked with the Google account is going to be merged with the brand account, and the brand account YouTube channel is deleted, and the process is completed. And now what we are going to do is we're going to just check if the transfer has done successfully or not. And as you can see, we are in the YouTube channel zone, and yeah, the transfer was successful. As you can see, this one video which was there in the YouTube channel, which was linked with the Google account.
Thanks so much for watching this tutorial. If you liked it, please subscribe to our YouTube channel, and if you didn't, then leave a comment so that we can improve it further. Do watch these suggested tutorials to learn even more, and do let us know what you want to learn on Being Skilled.